Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can download CG dropshipping video without watermark. Now, first thing you need to do guys, you want to just open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. That's if you are using like Windows. If you are using a Mac, I don't really know if this will work or not. Now you just need to search for Chrome Web Store and you want to download an extension that will help you download the video from CG dropshipping website. Now you just need to search here for download video and you want to click on this extension that says video downloader professional. Now I have tried like multiple extensions. The one that works the best is this extension. Just click on it and as you can see, this is the name of extension. It's called video downloader professional. Okay, so what you guys need to do, just need to click on add to Chrome here. As you can see, the button add to Chrome, and again you want to click on add. Okay, now after you add this guys, after you download this, you want to click on extensions icon in the top right and you want to pin the extension in the top. Okay, just click on this pin button and that's exactly how you can do this. Now the next thing you need to do guys, you want to go to CG dropshipping and search for the product, search for the video that you want to download on the product page. Okay, so in my case I'm going to click on this. As you can see, now I want to download this. As you can see, it has this the problem with this video is it has this watermark in the video. Okay, so what you guys need to do, there are like two different solutions for this. Now you can either search for another video similar to the video that you want to download that doesn't have watermark, or you can remove watermark from the video. As you can see, this video for example doesn't have watermark, as you can see. Now to download for example this video, you just need to click on the extension in the top. Okay, and after that you want to click on download here. Okay, after that you want to select the location, and for example desktop, I'm going to click on yes. Now I'm going to go to the video. As you can see, this is the video, and as you can see, it doesn't have watermark. But when I download this other video, it has watermark. I'm going to click on this download button. I'm going to click on download. Again, I'm going to put it on desktop, and I'm going to here. I'm going to click on okay, so I'm going to click on the video here. As you can see, it has this watermark like in the video, in the middle of the video. So you can either search for the video that doesn't have watermark and download it, or you can just use multiple websites that will help you remove watermark from the video. Just search for remove watermark from the video, and there are a lot of free websites that will help you do that. Okay, so for example, you can use this website or you can use this. Just search for a free website that will help you remove watermark from the video for free. Okay, so that's all you need to do guys. You just need to click on upload the file here. I'm going to click on upload here, and you just need to create an account on this website so that they will allow you guys to add the video and you will remove the watermark. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.